Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Man, today is September the 25th, 2021. You clicked on this video because this is our GameStop stock prediction. The short interest is less than 15% right now in GameStop. Don't expect a short squeeze, right? In order for a short squeeze to occur, the amount of shares that is short needs to be higher than the overall float. So I'm going to show you a website that shows us that the short interest and GameStop is below 15%. So how can you get a short squeeze event to occur when the overall market of available short shares is less than 15%? Don't worry about it. We're going to talk about it. We're also going to talk about our last price prediction in GameStop. And then we're going to tell you where we expect the market to go going forward so that we can be in position, not confused, and understand how the market really works. We're not here just to continue to come in every day and say that a short squeeze eventually is going to happen, that the MOAS is going to happen eventually. All you need to do is sit down and wait and be patient for the next 1500 years. Eventually it will occur, right? No, we don't do that. We make sure that we pay attention to the market. The market reads to us and it tells us where it's trying to go. So if you're into the market in GameStop for the duration of infinity, then we're not for you. The market is not for you. You guys just simply need to buy it and come back in the next 1500 years and see what happens, right? That's what you need to do. But if you guys are more interested in the dynamics of the market, if you're trying to figure out, okay, how does in the world is this price moving? Why did the market do this? You need to follow this channel. Make sure you hit us up, tap in, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel, because we're not going to give you all of that hype, all of that MOAS, all of that short squeeze eventually is going to happen. No, we're not. We're just going to simply pay attention to the price and make sure we get in position and win. Now, if you want to be a winner, we're here. Outside of that, you might need to go somewhere else. All right, so check this out. Now, I want to show you from this website here first that the short interest in GameStop is less than 15%. This is the short interest of shares short right now into the market in GameStop. Now, this is according to this website, right? I'm not putting no value into this website at all. The information is here and there. It might be accurate. It might be real. It might be fake. Who knows? But this website is telling us that the short interest percentage right now is 12.4%, right? Which is less than 15. So can you get a short squeeze in the market where the short flow is only 12.4%, right? Ask yourself that question. Because looking at the price chart in GameStop, the market is not really giving us the interest that it wants to go up. Not yet. So now, look at this. The last time we did our price prediction in GameStop was on the 7th of September, right? And we told you all to be prepared for the market in GameStop to go down, right? Especially on this earnings release. I told you all that the market plays on these type of events. The market always plays on these type of events. It is not the event that moved the price. No, it wasn't. The market was already in a downtrend at GameStop. And the day after the earnings, we opened up all the way down here at $180. We knew that right here on September the 7th and when we did our video. So we wasn't surprised. We wasn't guessing like, why in the world is the market in GameStop down 8, 9, 10%? We knew that already, because look at this. The price came right where we said it was going to bounce and it start going up. Wow. How did you know that? Because you got to understand the dynamics of the market. The market is not cheating you. You are just being led astray by all these other YouTubers who are just continually trying to give you the run of the mill and being redundant and tell you that the market's going to squeeze. This was profitable. 10.64% profitability from a video that we did 3 days ago. You got 10% out the market. This is how you're able to dominate against the trap. So congratulations to those who expected the same thing. Now let's get rid of it. Okay, that's over. Now, let's be real. If you're not real with yourself, then you have to understand that the market trades is not for you. You got to see the market for what it is in order for you to be more dominative in this space. You cannot be led to false hopes. Price is what it is. Understand that every price bar we see here in GameStop is actual people placing real money on the markets, right? And when price goes up, people are feeling pretty good. Where price goes down, people are not so much, unless those who are shorting the market are being ecstatic because price is actually going the way that they predicted. So now the question that I'm asking you all is, where in the world the price in GameStop is going to go, right? And you have so many people on YouTube giving you a time frame such as long term, right? That's not definitive. We need to start having YouTubers, when you state long term, how long are you saying it? Are you saying in 5 years? Because in the next 5 years, when I come back to this market, where would price be? We would need to hold you accountable for that, because you say you are looking for the market to be or go up in the next 5 years, right? All right, cool. So in 5 years, we'll come back, see what the price is. If it's up, good call. If it's down, not so much. You had your money locked up in a particular play for 5 years and you still didn't recoup any benefit from it. So for you, looking at this chart right now, where do you think GameStop is going to be in the next 3 weeks? Right? Where will price be? Because I'm here to tell you already that I'm not looking for the price in GameStop to go up. I'm not seeing that on the chart. If I was seeing strength on the chart in GameStop, then I will be predicting that. But so far, the trap is trying to tell us, hey, I'm lowering the price in GameStop. Are you ready for this? He's trying to give us nuggets. He's trying to give us a heads up that the price in GameStop is not a buy right now. Because I say that because look at this. The market in GameStop was in an upward trend, right? Starting here in August the 19th, 2021 is where this upward trend started in GameStop. We broke the trend in GameStop right here on September the 9th. And ever since September the 9th, price in GameStop could not come back up above it. What does that mean? It simply means that the price is not a buy right now, that the market in GameStop is weak. Now, I will give the market this much credit because it did try to come up and break above our ascending line. It tried, but each time it tried, it failed. And when the market fails, it goes to the least pass of restriction, of resistance. That's why the price in GameStop has been going down since September the 16th. So now, I'm not really seeing the price in GameStop being that strong. So let's take a look at the market in GameStop on a 2 weeks time frame. Let me show you this. Okay. This is the market in GameStop on a 2 weeks time frame. Let me get this out the way. So now, over the last month, right? Let me extend this out because this is the problem in GameStop right here. These 2 weekly price bars, which is 4 weeks. The market in GameStop tried to break about $225. It did. Let's give the market that much credit. It did, but it failed both times. That tells us that $225 in GameStop is a massive area of restriction that the market cannot overcome. And until the market overcomes that, we need to expect the price in GameStop to continue to go down or at best consolidate, right? So looking at this on the 2 weeks time frame, this is where support needs to be into the market in GameStop as we go throughout the rest of this year. Now, I do see a mid area of support as well. So we can relax that the market can still be propped up right here too. I'm telling you all the play right now. I'm showing you all what the expectation can be in GameStop. So we're at 185. That's where the last trade was on yesterday. We was $185 into the market in GameStop. We can still see the market go down another $10 and see the market bounce from there and go up. We sure can. But we can't go no lower than 150, right? In order for this market to continue to trade sideways and have the ability to go up, we cannot see price in GameStop go below 150. Okay. So now, those would be the 2 points that I'm seeing already that I would expect the market to try to go and show us some support and try to go up from there. 175, then the next area is going to be 150. Okay. Now this is how we ended last week. The weekly price bar right here. The market in GameStop is still showing us that there is no interest coming through. People don't want to buy it right now. Okay. I know a lot of people are sitting on shares that they own, but if you don't have any buyers, the market cannot move up. Right. So we need to see buyers come into this space. So what I'm looking forward to, I'm pretty much done in my price prediction, is that I'm looking for the price in GameStop to drop. Okay. So let me show you. Until we see this price in GameStop break $225, the expectation will be for us to trade sideways and go down. The first area is around 175. That's the first area to come in and eat off the market. 5.7% you and I both can get full off of, taking the profits out of the market right back in our accounts. Second area for us to eat would be right there around 160. That's 13.5% that we'll see the market in GameStop where we all can eat. Third area ultimately is 150, right? So I'm not necessarily seeing the market hitting 150 yet, but we need to be prepared for that. We need to say, yeah, I mean, looking at this from a 2 weeks perspective, it is probable that the market can come down to 150. Monthly time frame, it is possible that this price in GameStop could come down to 150. It's on the table, right? So this is it right here. Okay, we're going to go ahead and play the weakness into the market in GameStop. Okay, let me bring this in closer. And three areas. First one is 175. Second area is right there at 165 or 160. Yeah, 160. Third area is 150. All right, so you guys got it. So now this is what we're looking forward to in GameStop. Pretty much the market just looks to consolidate. The opportunity for us to really show the massive strength in GameStop would have occurred back here during the ending of August, beginning of September, to where we try to break up above 225. We didn't do it. So again, we're going to come back down slightly. That's our expectations. Now I want to know, all right, call the market. Where do you think the price in GameStop is going to be in the next 3 weeks, right? We're not talking about the next 13 years. No, in the next 3 weeks, where will price be? Until you become more proficient as to calling the market on the short term, how do you expect to call the markets on the long term, right? You could give me some generalities, say, yeah, it's a buy for the next 1,500 years. Anybody could say that. But where will price be, right? Are we going to be up? Are we going to be down? Let me know. Drop me a comment in the comment section. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And for everyone who is appreciating the content, hit that like button, share it, and also subscribe. And make sure you tap in by tapping that bell notification. All right, I'm done. Make sure you maintain the profitability. Trade different.